This is a video demonstration of the Troubling Signs game in the VoiceOver Playground Braille app. So we're going to take a look. There are two modes. There's the writing mode and the editing mode. We're going to take a look at the writing mode first.
Hello there. Could I ask you for a favor? Typo the Trickster has stolen all of the words off of our town signs, and I need your help to fix them. I'll let you know what the signs should read, while you use your Braille keyboard to type the correct letters. Here comes the first sign. It should read, dog. Can you type, dog?
All right.
Text field is editing. Insertion point at start. Use the rotor to access misspelled words.
So the game asked me to type a three-letter word, and in this first time, they are random words, and this first one for me is dog. So I'm going to type D-O-G.
G.
Then I can check, it's D-O-G, and I'm going to hit spacebar to enter.
Dog.
Here comes the next sign. It should read, mad. Can you type mad?
All right, so this time I'm going to do mad, M-A-D,
D.
M-A-D. I'm checking it in the Braille, and I'm going to hit space.
Mad.
Here comes the next sign. It should